Okay, the main idea in this card will be the design of the stamp or the draw. So what I want to concentrate is like the colors don't be so strong in the background, and she has the more powerful colors, but in the same time I will play with maybe strong colors in the ribbons. So let's put together this. So I'm using a very light blue paper or light blue, and I use my Cricut to give a little of texture like the rain. Then I'm using a darker blue, and this one that is like cloudy day in spring. So I will put this together. And now I will put this one in the center here. Okay, we have this one. Now, like I mentioned, I want to play also with the colors of this. So I think I will go for yellow. For this time, I usually love to put the tape and keep this in the place, etc. But for what I'm planning to do, I will put just tape first until I'm sure that is the place that I want. I think it's straight. And now I will use also a red one. So this one will go also here. There it is. Now we have our stamp that will be there. I want to put some dots. If you hear in the background, it's my husband, the dogs and everything playing together. So before I put this, I will stick all together. 1 second. For the little areas, I always prefer to go for sorry, these little pieces. Okay, we have these ready. But before I put this one here, I want to put this in the card. I'm using just a 4x6 just to be sure. A lot of times it's 5x7, sorry. I changed my mind and I changed the cards. There. And last one. You know what? Just to be sure. Or because I have these little here. So just to be sure that I have everything safe. Okay. Usually it's kind of hard to find the place what I do, and I was going for the corners. So when I find the corners, I drop, and there it is. And the weight is the same. And now I will put my stamp, draw that stamp, stickers, whatever you are using. I like to create my own designs, but the stamp is it's like making a stamp, you know. I wish I know how to make them stamps. Maybe in the future I will get the way to do it. I love them. What I do is like I made my design, I keep safe, and only when I need I do a photocopy of what I have. The good about the photocopy is like after you print that, the tint, the ink that I have in my printer is so good that you can paint the image and it will not make any mess with the colors. So looks like Heidi is coming. Okay, so let's find the place. Yes, there is. So we have this little girder. So now I need a little ribbon here. It will be a very simple one. And a little ribbon here. So there it is. It's a very simple card, but in the same time I'm playing with the colors. You can just give a second nod if you want to make better. I usually go for only one because I don't want to do so much fluffy, you know. But there it is. So I hope you enjoyed the card. It was very easy to do. like I show. I just play with the colors and I try to give a little more, like, working the stamp than the background. I hope you enjoy.